Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the Forex market. Today we will consider the situation on the euro currency. So yesterday PPI numbers actually shook the markets, and so lots of discussion was, and market performance was really strong. Not maybe on the euro currency, but you could see performance on the Great British Pound, on the gold market, on the stocks. So it definitely had made some effect on the markets. Today in the morning we also have got the European Union, German inflation. It's also showing the increasing, and that's really the things to think about. And I think that analysis investors will do it through the weekend. So market just need to sleep with this moment and to come to some conclusion, because obviously it's becoming evident the situation when the Fed keeps rate at the significant high levels, but it makes only limited impact on the inflation level. So we widely discussed and in depth have discussed this in our weekly reports when we explained what is the structural crisis is and why it is not as a recession. It's not the same as a recession, and what the specific of the structural crisis. So from that standpoint, obviously the PPI numbers suggest more hawkish Fed, and that supports the dollar, which you could see actually in reaction on the euro currency. So it's slightly keep going lower. At the same time, here's a few interesting moments to mention. First of all, you could see that market currently is entering the confluence support area. So it's then slightly below the first level, but here we have the range. So this is 106.13, 106.90 area. This is daily confluence, and it's coming slowly to the downside. Today we have the light shadow of the statistics. Actually, from in the United States, we probably will get some export prices, import prices, but nothing really important. And from that standpoint, hardly we should count on some significant volatility in today's performance. In a larger scale analysis, we actually are interested with this level, because this is the confluence where potentially the bread and butter trade could start on a weekly chart. The bread and butter suggests a pullback somewhere from this area to the 618 resistance of the whole downward action. So this is pretty nice potential pattern with a good potential. But and actually euro still has a week in reserve to reach this level, because according to the chart in Napoli, market has to reach this level within the 3 weeks below the 3x3 moving average. So currently is the second week in place. So market will have the next weeks as well just to reach this level. At the same time, second moment that I would like to mention, as you will see in today's gold analysis, gold market is already stands here. And we suggest if we suggest the bread and butter on the gold market as well, so it means that if gold market will start bounce, it means that probably in the dollar we will get some weakness, some weakness in the next week. And that could lead to appearing of the different pattern on the euro. If we suggest that both markets will keep going higher, it means that on the euro currency we could get not the bread and butter but double repo sell. If you remember, we talked about this in the weekly report. We said depending on how deep this retracement will be, we will get either one pattern or another. So they are different, but both of them fits well in a longer term monthly trading setup. And that's the particular what we need to keep an eye on in the midterm perspective. For today's session, I would consider this level as a potential destination point. Hardly market will show any significant breakout if, of course, something extraordinary will happen. Because take a look, that's first of all, this is daily fib level, this daily support. This is important reaction point. So you can see here was some reversal type of action. Market creates the new lows and then shows the acceleration. So this lows important. And that's the 30% from this reaction point. If we take a look at the 4-time frame chart, our suggestion on the failure hand and shoulders was correct. And currently you can see I would consider the butterfly here, guys. And take a look at 127 extension of the butterfly perfectly agrees with this level. 106.15, level 106.13. So this mostly stands in agreement. Next target is 105.64. So I would say that it's more probable that market will reach this level today, and less probable that it will keep going lower, just because of the daily fib level. And today's Friday, so markets have got a lot of information, they need to absorb it. So from that standpoint, hardly will get some straightforward activity with the sell-off right to this level. But if somehow it will happen, you know the next destination point, so this will be around 105.64. That's what I'm think is most probable scenario for today. On the hourly chart, everything is keep going inside of this widening consolidation that we mentioned a few days ago. So reaching of the butterfly target could trigger the pullback. So you know that usual reaction, minimum reaction of the target of the butterfly 30% pullback. So it means that it will be somewhere around 106.80. So retesting maybe of these lows. That will be the minimum pullback that market could show when target will be reached. So that's the ideas that we have on euro currency today.